Here I will introduce the details of our H-type 4-tier chicken cage. First, we take a look at the mesh. This is the hot dipped galvanized cage, and the service time at least for 20 years. And you can see a closer view. This is very thick. And for this door, we also have one extra lock. Like this, you can open and you can lock it. Oh, very strong. So with this locker, more safe for chicken. And next, you can see the feed trough. This is the steel shade feed trough. It's very strong, and you can see I can stand in here and no problem to jump on it. Very strong. So if you choose HIGHTOP, no worry about the quality at all. We always put the quality at the first place. And after the feed trough, I will show you the frame. This is to support the cage. And take a closer view, please. You can see the wire will go through the frame. This design makes sure the whole structure very stable. One by one, you can see here, with this structure very stable. And the sheet is also hot dipped galvanized. The service time also more than 20 years. So mainly for the cage part, the cage, the frame, feed trough. This also you can see here the egg collection part. There is a small sheet. This is to connect two sides together. You can see. So the connection will make the structures on same line, very stable. Okay, then I will introduce the water line to you. First, you can see the filter, and this is to clean the water. And with the pipe, you can see the medicine pipe. We can put some medicine here, and it will recycle to the water line. See the water regulator. This is a regulator to control the water pressure. Then make sure the whole line, the complete line, will get enough water. And after the regulator, here we can see the inside. This is the pipe, and the lower is the water trough. There are 3 nipple drinkers in each cell, and when there is extra water, the water trough will hold it, so the chicken will not get wet. This is our design for the water line. Very convenient. Okay, next I will show you how to open the door. Here is a lock. Here is a lock. After you open it, it will like this, and you can open the door like this. Here, follow my hand, you can see the water line. First, there is a water pipe under the above the water trough, and you can see 3 nipple drinkers here. And lower we put a water trough. So if you have extra water, the water trough will hold it. Chicken will not get wet. So this is the water line. Here is the connection, is the ending for the water line. You can see the end pipe. This is the complete water receptacle. Okay. also a inspection car. You can stand up here. Okay, and then you can check the top chicken. See here, when standing on the top, you can see all the situation of the chicken. Very convenient.